What's up, guys? We're finna play some Madden 18. I'm gonna start doing Gauntlet. I'm gonna play Madden 18, college football, stuff like that. But today, we're gonna do the Gauntlet. Do not laugh at me, cause I'm pretty garbage. Okay, pretty garbage. But without that being said, let's get into it. I'm going to be the Philadelphia Eagles. Because nobody's commenting down below who y'all want me to use. So, just use Philly today. As you can see. Let me go turn my light off. I can see good now. Please subscribe and let's get 10 likes on this video. Just 10. 10 or more. Man, it's up to y'all guys. I'm going to rename my channel too. I'm going to be playing with my dad. He's pretty good in college and NFL, I beat him a couple of times in college. I haven't beat him yet in NFL. But it's going to happen. And I'm video recorded so you guys can see it. Complete. Little easy pass right here to O. Try to hurdle people around here. Complete pass. O again. He got chomped up. Oh, also, comment down below who y'all want me to use. Ah, it's my fault. I forgot you can't run out of bounds. Oh, man, come on now. Y'all gotta give me that.
Go ahead and give me the control. I can do this. You got 4 lives left.
This is gonna take a long.
You have 3 lives left.
That's how we do it around here. Took me a while, but it's my first Madden video. Come on, man. A little easy one like this. Come on. Oh, shoot. Oh, you gotta break that tackle, man. Then y'all gotta switch this play around, man. Oh my god. This isn't going so great. Guys, until next time, I'm gonna end the video right there. Wait, hold on. You thought I'm gonna play again because I didn't do so great on that time. But for my fans out there, we're getting past 19. That's my high score before I did YouTube. That's Face Mask.
Still got the 5-finger discount. 5 lives left.
And y'all just think I'm probably trash, but I do suck at this game. But I can tell y'all somebody else to go subscribe to. Yo Boy Pizza. He's a great YouTuber. He plays Madden all the time. I didn't get the tackle, but it's okay.
Oh man, here he comes.
The ball is easy. Okay, that's my fault. That's my fault.
We have 4 lives left.
Oh, I did not see him. I really didn't see him. I would have went the other way.
Alright, little Harry. 3 lives left.
I did. I said, I have no driver's license. I have to talk like you. I have to sign your name. I have to state that you have no driver's license, and I have to put it on my son.
Oh my god.
My son-in-law was there.
So close.
Yes, my evidence.
That was a tough one. We got 2 lives
At
left.
2:20, and my daughter, who just started a new job, would have to take off with no pay and might risk her job.
Great.
So maybe they'll.
Time to step up. Make it count. We have 1 life left.
Oh my god, you gotta hold that block, bro.
Practice makes perfect. See you next time.
Well, until next time, guys,
The playing field.
I'm gonna start doing videos
Contestant.
every Thursday, Wednesday. Wait, cancel Wednesday. Every Thursday, Monday, Saturday, and until next time.